Take your horse to the max with maximum performance.
Yeah, it's helped us tremendously with fertility in the horses and the dogs also, but we noticed way less complications in the breedings, and the cycles are stronger and so forth. The reproduction's been great. We had a mare that was real hard to get in foal. We couldn't, she would breed up and she needed shots to make her cycle, and I thought there would be an easier way, so I started looking around for some natural way to get them to come in foal, and got started on her right away. 30 days after we started on Maximum Performance, she was in foal. After we got the mare, we've seen such good results with the mare, we put all of our horses on it. And the hoof walls, the farrier noticed right away that the hoof walls are thicker in all the horses, and more shoe and a more pliable shoe, so it wasn't near our foot, so it wasn't near as brittle as before. We also had a 14-year-old that was lame, had a shoulder problem that we had to veterinarians, and they couldn't find the problem. We put him on Maximum Performance and noticed a big improvement in 30 days, but really noticed a lot of improvement with that over about a 4-month period. We tried a lot of drugs and chemicals and different things on the horses when they were feeling bad or problems such as reproduction problems and things like that, and it just never seemed to do what we wanted to do. The natural approach was way better, and we had way better results, and it financially a lot's better because the drugs and chemicals are expensive to use. The eye on a horse is one of the best ways to tell whether they're feeling good or not. If you can look at a horse and see a nice, bright, shiny eye, you've got a horse that feels good, and if it looks dull or hazy, you know somewhere that horse does not feel good. And Maximum Performance, you'll notice a brighter eye within a couple of weeks on Maximum Performance. We noticed that on all of our horses. It's all natural product, vitamins, and the calcium. Calcium is probably the biggest thing that's lacking for the horse. Since they're such a big animal, they need a lot of calcium to build the bone and muscle tissue that they need to perform. In the reproduction side of it, the selenium that's in it, here in Indiana, it's a known fact for all the breeders that our soils are depleted in selenium, and Maximum Performance is an excellent source for selenium. So that's really what helps the reproduction in the horses. Most of our soils are being depleted of minerals through farming practices and so forth, and that brings on the need to supplement the diet of a horse or dog or anything. You know, that it's going to need more supplementation as time goes on, and that's what brings the need for Maximum Performance and a natural product like Maximum Performance. We've tried many supplements, many different supplements that are on the market, and the nice thing about Maximum Performance was it was so readily taken by the horses. We started feeding it, and within 2 days, most of them were on it altogether. We've noticed also is the hair coat is way shinier, a lot more mane and tail growth, which if you're in showing and things like that, that is just a excellent factor about Maximum Performance. As far as training goes, we've noticed that horses have way more stamina when they're on Maximum Performance. They are also, they're more eager to please. Maximum Performance is a natural way to give our animals what nature cannot provide.
Take your horse to the max with Maximum Performance.